Most contractors think going paperless is just about scanning a few documents. But that's not real change. The biggest mistake you can make in 2026 is still relying on paper for jobs, invoices, and notes while your competitors run everything digitally and faster. In this video, you'll learn how to go paperless as a contractor step by step, what systems actually matter, and how small field service businesses are removing paperwork completely without losing control of their operations. Let's start with the real problem. Imagine John runs a small plumbing business. Every job starts with a paperwork order. He writes notes by hand. His technician fills out forms in the field. At the end of the week, John is collecting receipts, trying to read handwriting, and manually entering everything into his system. It takes hours, and mistakes happen all the time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Going paperless is not about removing paper. It is about replacing manual steps with digital workflows. The first step is digital job management. Instead of printed work orders, use apps like Jobber, Housecall Pro, or FieldPulse. When Alex receives a job, all details appear on his phone instantly. Address, customer history, and job notes are already there. No paper needed. But here's the problem most contractors face. They try to switch everything at once and get overwhelmed. The smarter approach is to go step by step. Start with job scheduling first. Once your team is comfortable, move to digital invoicing. Then replace paper forms with mobile checklists. Now let's talk about invoicing, because this is where paper waste is highest. Instead of writing invoices by hand, digital systems let you create and send invoices immediately after a job is completed. So when Jake finishes an electrical repair, the invoice is generated automatically and sent to the customer within seconds. Another key part of going paperless is document storage. Instead of filing cabinets, everything is stored in the cloud. Photos, receipts, and job reports are all accessible from any device. That means no more lost paperwork or searching through folders. Now here's where most contractors see real efficiency gains. Communication becomes instant. Customers get automated updates, technicians get job details in real time, and office staff stop chasing paperwork. But the real benefit is not just convenience. It is speed. When your entire system is digital, you complete jobs faster, invoice quicker, and get paid sooner. The goal is simple. Replace every paper-based step with a digital equivalent that saves time and reduces errors. If you do this properly, your business becomes easier to manage, more organized, and much more scalable. If this helped, like the video, comment what part of your business still uses paper, and subscribe for more practical systems that help contractors modernize and grow.